So now we'll see a problem on cylinder which is given the base 60 mm. So base is drawn 60 mm. The front view, the height, the length of axis is not given. So draw the circle, divide it into parts. Now the hint is given here. It is cut by an AVP. AVP is auxiliary vertical plane cutting plane line in top view. AVP. So perpendicular to, it means it is perpendicular to HP. So AVP inclined 45 degrees to HP. So this angle will be 45 degrees in such a way that the true shape is a rectangle of 40 by 80. So now at the place of section plane line or section plane, it is given true shape. So sometimes in the problem it may be given true shape. How we get the true shape? That is the rectangle of 40 by 80. So it means that the height of cylinder should be 80 because the shape of the rectangle is 80 and the rectangle what we are getting is 40 by 80. So it means that the section plane length line or line which we are drawing, that length of that line should be 40. So draw a line of length 40 mm, 45 degrees inclined to HP in the top view. So how to draw that? So you can draw a line at 45 mm at any point like this and draw a line parallel to this which will be 45 mm or which will be of 40. This length of section plane, this one should be 40. So you can project this. So here base is cut. So there are two bases, 1 and 2. Here also base is cut. So there are again two bases, this one and this one. So there is, this is the sectional front view. So it has got 80 as height and this length is 40. So you can, to get the true shape, you can draw the perpendicular from here and from here. So these two points are on the XY line. So these 2 points will be on XY line. These 2 points are at 80 from here. We have taken it deliberately, we have taken it 80 because the true shape of this section is 40 by 80. So mark this rectangle as 40 by 80. So this will be the true shape. This will be 80 and this will be 40. So this 80 comes from here and this 40 comes from here. So length of section plane line should be 40. So sometimes in the problem the true shape of this section is given, wherefrom you have to draw the section plane line and you can draw the whole problem. So it is as simple as it hardly requires some 4-5 minutes to draw, but it can score 6 to 7 marks to you. So it is, sometimes the true shape of the section is given. We will see more problems on this in cone, in cube or in prism, cylinder. This is one of the problem asked in the cylinder always, that the true shape of the section is a rectangle of 80 by 40. So you can mark this 40 mm, 45 degrees inclined. This angle must be of 45 degrees because it is given in the problem. And this length of this section plane line should be 40. The height, whatever you will take, it may be 90, 70, whatever it may take. In this problem it is 80, so height of this is 80, so this will be automatically 80. So this is what is the solution for this problem.